Transition slopes, he says. Well, I'm trying to get from level track where all three inner, middle and outer roads are level at this end to a situation where the outer road, as it were, is going to be elevated so that I can fit in a narrow section a 6-road fiddle yard with a single road elevated portion across the lift out or raise up section, and then a 2-road fiddle yard above the 6-road. So there's going to be 2 levels. For most of the run, it's going to be on 9mm ply, which over the lengths between the support brackets is going to be quite readily self-supporting. I went to a hardware shop and found these very robust angle brackets are cheaper than the thin steel angle brackets. These are galvanized steel, so designed to be used outdoors and very substantial, so that I don't need to make an L girder construction, so just some brackets to support this, and it should leave the space underneath clear for the other tracks. Now, for the part which is sloping, I'm using 3-4mm plywood, can't remember what thickness, but it's flexible, and that's so I can have a transition in terms of the slope. Here, because I've used some Fleischmann track, I can make the track horizontal in this section, and then it will gently curve up, and then I'm making it horizontal here. I decided to put a point in. The point is going to be entirely on the horizontal. I don't like having points on inclines. And then this part of the Fleischmann track is held horizontally again, and so there'll be a transition to the elevated section. And similarly then, at this end, I will pin this part of the plywood, of the thin plywood, flat, so that when it forms the slope, instead of it being just joined at a sharp angle, it actually has a transition slope and curls over. So that's the plan, and we'll have to see how that works out in practice. Thank you.